Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aiza Shrafzia. I secured 195 out of 200 marks in the National MDCare 2020 and secured third position all over Pakistan. I was a student of KIPS 30A campus. Managing my study during the lockdown was a difficult thing to do, but with the help of KIPS, I was able to do that through the KIPS LMS and the online Zoom lectures. I was very confident that KIPS would make me win because KIPS has been renowned for producing toppers for over years and years, and I knew that KIPS was the only place I could trust to make me win. As the syllabus was changed week over week, the KIPS tests were also changed overnight, and the extra syllabus was also covered with the help of recorded lectures and online classes. Overall, my experience with KIPS was great, and I was properly entertained as we are entertained in the on-campus classes, and KIPS was able to make its mark in the society in both online and on-campus classes. The special features of the KIPS that helped me prepare online and virtually were the online Zoom classes and the teacher support, which both entertained me equally well. On-campus learning is very different from online learning. Both have their pros and cons, but it depends on the system of the education of the country that which system is beneficial for you. In my case, on-campus learning is more easier and efficient. Students do lose their interest while studying online, but KIPS has paved out a path for you in which you have no time to go off track and waste time. You are bound by online classes, recorded lectures, short tests, long tests, and you have no time to go off track. FSC and Anti-Test, in my opinion, are very different. FSC is all about rote learning, cramming, and writing the theoretical stuff, whereas Anti-Test is more about grasping concepts and applying them at the right time. I chose KIPS because KIPS is very renowned for producing toppers over years and years, and I knew that KIPS was the place that I could come to, and I knew I would secure my seat in the dream college. I would definitely recommend my family and my friends to join KIPS, and the three benefits are that KIPS makes no compromise and does not let you make a compromise on your studies. Secondly, the way KIPS makes you grasp concepts is very effective and efficient. And thirdly, KIPS provides you with the best of everything, the best of faculty, the best of staff, and the best of the tests. Online study was a little difficult with KIPS, but overall it was a great experience and I have no complaints. I definitely agree with this that KIPS makes you secure your seats in your dream colleges, and KIPS gives you the best of everything, so there is no doubt that you can lack in any concept or anything. KIPS helps you tackle the pressure in many different ways. The student counselors, the motivational speakers, and the counseling by the teacher themselves played a major role in relieving my stress and anxiety during the MCAT stress. In my opinion, Pakistani education system is still in its 80s and 90s, and there is a lot of room for improvement. The students are forced to cram stuff that has little to do with their practical life, and the hard work of the students should be in a more positive direction, that is grasping concepts that help you in your practical life. In my opinion, success is one continuous ladder, and you cannot say that the thing if just one is your life's biggest win for you. But my life's biggest win up till now has been securing my seat in my dream university and making my parents, my brothers, and my teachers proud.
KIPS Entry Tests Preparation. Join to win.